Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by scaffolding the extension so you can focus on features instead of wiring. Once you have Node and VSCode installed, run the generator and pick TypeScript for type safety or JavaScript for speed. After scaffolding, open the folder in VSCode and run npm install so dependencies resolve. Then launch the extension development host immediately to confirm the template command works. This gives you a live testbed to make small edits and see behavior without long rebuild cycles. You now implement the core logic, modify activate, to register commands and dispose resources on deactivate. Make sure package. JSON defines your command ID, titles, menus, and activation events so your extension loads only when needed. Once done, add any language features or tree providers, then use the debug launch config to iterate quickly. Make sure to log meaningful messages and handle async operations with try/catch. This prevents silent failures and speeds debugging. Finally, run unit tests and integration flows in the host to validate behavior. You finish by compiling and packaging. Run the build script and create a v6 using VC package. If you plan to publish, authenticate with the marketplace and run VC publish or distribute the v6 directly. Once published, monitor users and crash reports, update the extension version and changelog for fixes. If something goes wrong, check activation events, command ID and package. JSON and the extension host output for stack traces. That single troubleshooting step catches most configuration and runtime mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.